In this video, I will show you how to leave a Discord server on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Once you've done that, come over to the left hand side where you're going to find your server list. From here, scroll through until you find the server that you want to leave. So for example, let's go for this one here. Give it a click to go into the server itself. And once you're in the server itself, just come up to the top left hand corner and click onto the server name just up here. And on this menu that comes up, you're going to see at the bottom the option to leave server. Give that a click. What that's going to do is bring up a confirmation message. Just a note that you won't be able to rejoin the server again unless you are re-invited. And all you need to do is simply click the red leave server button. And as you can see, that's now going to let you leave the server. So that's how to leave a server on Discord on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.